a jolt and then you'll die.
So welcome to CNews channel guys. In this video we will see how to download and install Sublime Text 3 on Windows 10 environment, and let's see the beautiful features provided by the Sublime Text 3. So let's get started with our installation process. First open your favorite browser. Mine is my Google. Just simply type Sublime Text download. Here you will find some official link provided by the Sublime organization. Just open that. Here you have to choose which version is your machine is. So here it provided like Mac, Linux or Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. If you are confused about your machine as a 32-bit or 64-bit, just go to command prompt and just type wmic os get os architecture. So here it gives your machine is 64-bit architecture. So I will download the link which was provided as 64-bit here. So here is my executable file, right? So you will find in the download section. So I will open that and allow my permissions. Yeah, click on next, click on install. So that's easy. Sublime is a very lightweight software comparing to Visual Studio Code or any other IDEs. So let's see the beautiful features provided by the Sublime Text now. So okay, for this simply search for Sublime. Okay, so this is my Sublime Text editor. So let's see the features which are provided here. In the file section you will file something like new file, open already existing file and open folder. Open folder is very beautiful feature provided here, because while you are working on any project you have very numerous files, right? So opening the folder is very convenient for you to open the existing file. So let's see how it is useful for you. So I will open my folder. So see, here all my files are visible, so I will easily navigate which one. This is my HTML file and this is my CSS file, so I will easily open that file, right? So in the edit section you will find something like undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. These are all aware, right? So in the selection section you will find something like add previous line, add next line. So these are all something like you will find the use of it while you are working on any project. So find is a beautiful option provided here, because while you want to search for any single thing in the entire project, you will find something like this. So I will search for this word and it's showing that it is found here. So find is also very beautiful. So while coming to view is nothing but setting the IDE. So hiding the sidebar, okay, and showing the sidebar. So in this view option you will find something the IDE settings. So go to means navigating to any other project or any other path. You will navigate through this, and project already existing project also you can open here. So these are all the features that you have provided by the Sublime. So if you want to see the output of it, just open in the browser. Okay, so this is the output of that file. So I hope you are all clear with the installation process and the tour of the Sublime. So if you want any playlist on web, you just comment out in the below section. We will make a playlist also on from scratch. We will make a playlist on that. So thanks for supporting the channel. Thank you guys.